Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. My name is Beauty. Guys, in this video we are going to be making garlic egg sauce. Yes, garlic egg sauce is very yummy and delicious. So yesterday when I closed from work, I decided to browse one of the Africa store very close to me, and I found this yummy and delicious garlic egg, guys. So I'm going to be making it with yam. So we are going to be eating it for lunch, so I decided to take you guys along. So without wasting much of your time, let's just dive into this video. When I was in Africa, my mom used to prepare this garden egg, and I love it so much. One thing I loved about this garden egg is that you can just snack on it. So it's very yummy and delicious. So guys, let's dive into the over here are all my ingredients. Over here I have about 1 kg of my garden egg here. I have some onions, ginger and garlic then, and also I have some fish here. So we are going to be working on the garlic egg before the yam. So I need to remove the I need to remove it. So guys, I just boiled my garden egg. So what I did was just to peel out the so what I'm going to do now is just to add it into my then and begin to I don't want it to be smooth. I'm just going to do it little and it's okay. Yeah, that is enough. Guys, this is the oil I used to fry the fish. What I'm going to do now is just to add some of my palm oil into it. I'm going to be adding my red oil into it. So I'm going to use the mixture of both the red and my vegetable oil. This is some minutes later. I'm going to be adding my onions. And I'm also going to be adding my scotch bonnet pepper and tomatoes into it. This is 3 minutes later, and I'm going to be adding my seasoning. I'm going to add my ginger and garlic paste. Ginger and garlic paste. I'm going to be adding 1 knock cumin. I'm going to be adding my pepper. Though I've already added scotch bonnet pepper. So I'm just going to give it a nice scent. Guys, I just placed my pot over here. I'm going to be adding my yams in there. So I'm going to be adding my frozen yam into the pot. I'm going to add salt. So I'm going to allow it to come to a simmer while we check our sauce. Yummy. I'm going to be adding some pinch of salt. I'm going to add some salt. And I'm also going to be adding my crayfish. So the sauce maybe in the next 5 minutes is ready. So in the next 3 minutes, I'm going to be adding my fish. Before then, I'm going to add my dry clams into it. Over here is my dry clams. I'm going to add it. It's ready, guys. It's ready. So I'm just going to dish it out. Our yam is already, boiling. Don't forget, if you know you are hungry, my address is at the description box. Hurry now, let's come and just gua it. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Thank you also so much for your love, for your support, for your comments. I really appreciate you. Thank you all so much. See you guys in my next video. Remain blessed. Bye bye.